I'm gonna give y'all a little driving POP in the 2002 Acura TL Type-S. It's been a minute since I posted anything on YouTube. Give y'all a little outside look at the car, how it looks so far. I did paint more of the car, but now currently I am selling it. Ready to get something else. Yeah, two-tone green. Two-tone green. It won't be two-tone green after you paint the doors, and it'll actually match the rest of the paint. I don't know how this quality is gonna look the way I'm using my iPhone SE 2020 of showing out the car. Doors got paint. Interior still looks good. I'm gonna give y'all a little driving POP, or no, not POP, but you know what I mean, POV. So I will shut up and got no radio, no climate, just let y'all hear the car. I don't know why it got blurry. Wiper's gonna smack down. That's the other thing I had to replace on it. So my real reason why I'm selling this car is my transmission. It's just iffy, and I'm just getting tired of it. I don't feel like I had to replace it, and this is a 20-year-old car, just to put that out there. Windows are starting to fog up. If you guys ain't following my Instagram, it's UA5_green mobile 2. I had green mobile 1, I got locked out of my account. Still shifting all right. It's not shifting hard or slipping, or it's a little bit of jerking, but not too bad. Might be the last video of this car. Get a little straightaway here. I'm gonna punch on it, just show you how strong the transmission's still doing. miles an hour. I'll do one more. It honestly drives pretty damn good. Alright, done at 3x3. Drain and fill, shift solenoid screen filters, and external filter. It's just iffy all of a sudden. There we go, one more. Yeah, it's got great power. That's the only damn thing I would miss about this car. It's the power. But yep, I'm about to get out of here, heading back home.